Hello everyone, my name is Charlotte and I'm working to get into Sheridan for animation. I've worked for many years now with PortPrep to prepare my skills to be strong enough to reach Sheridan's lofty expectations. I started out almost a year and a half ago working with Karen and taking her Drawing Fundamentals course. It was an excellent start for me to get into technical drawing and starting to really understand how to see and think as an artist. The class size was small enough so we were able to receive a good deal of critique time and lots of valuable advice. Next, I delved into the Animation Portfolio Bundle, led by Garth Laidlaw, which was about a year ago now. This course was excellently structured to help students through creating their portfolio and submitting it. However, I didn't choose to apply that year due to my inexperience. Really sinking my teeth into each aspect of the portfolio like that was invaluable for me to actually appreciate the challenge ahead. It was the perfect lasting teaching that I needed. A couple months ago, I was hired as a camp counselor at two of PortPrep's animation camps. The instructors they hired were really experienced and had excellent knowledge on all the caliber of art needed for the portfolio and how to reach that level. I also participated in lots of the learning there and gained loads of priceless knowledge. It was just the spark I needed to really commit all my time into getting in. Now, I'm working as a co-op student with Zen Rankin, helping him with tasks and learning things about being a freelance artist and working in the professional art world, as well as getting coaching on my portfolio. He is the perfect saving grace for me during this portfolio crunch time, and I'm extremely grateful for his help. All in all, PortPrep has been instrumental in my development as an artist, there by my side to push my baby steps into great leaps and bounds of progress. For any Sheridan hopeful, or anyone looking at any other school, the choice is a no-brainer. Go for PortPrep. Thank you for listening and wish me luck on my application.